Khalil Ben Yusuf and Cedric Cousin named as the core interim head coaches for the remainder of the season. Why are you surprised, mate? Why are you even surprised? About 2 weeks back, I sat here and told you this is a big possibility. Don't be surprised if these two guys are named as the core interim head coaches for the remainder of the season. I told you. Why are you even surprised? You know how this team operates. I know how this team operates. I've seen Molifenseki coming to this team as the technical director, and he ended up being the head coach. I've seen Kevin Johnson coming to this team as the head of youth, and he ended up being an interim head coach. So why would I be surprised? Why would I be surprised? Because I know this team has been run by absolute wasters. One of the reasons these guys stayed, I had no problem with them staying, but not as the co-head coaches. One of the reasons they kept them is because they want to avoid costs. These guys still have 1 year remaining on their contract with an option to extend. So Kaizer Chiefs had to pay them if they were to part ways with them. And obviously a new coach coming in will also require money. So one of the reasons these guys are named as the head coaches for the remainder of the season is because of money. Kaizer Chiefs can't fool me. I'm very familiar with their game. Tell me which team have ever appointed an interim head coach or co-head coaches with 27 games left in the season. We have 27 league games remaining. We've only played, we have 23 games. My bad, 23 games, 23 league games remaining. We've only played 7 league games. We still have a Nedbank Cup to fight for. We still have a CAF Confed to fight for. The season literally just started. And you're telling me about an interim head coach. Interim head coach. Mate, you're taking the piss. You are taking the piss. And I'm hearing some people saying, these guys were very good in those first 3 games. 3 wins, no goals conceded. The problem started when Nabi came back. Bullshit. Nabi played a huge role in those 3 wins. He played a very huge role. He might have not been there physically, but that was probably his team, his plan, maybe even the substitutions. He didn't have to be there physically to be in control of the game. There's technology, mate. Come on, don't act dumb. Don't act dumb. This is a very terrible decision. This is a very terrible decision. And I thought maybe after that Stellenbosch game with all that chaos, I thought maybe the management will take a sensible decision. I thought maybe they will see the need to make a good decision. But now, they just can't prove me wrong. They just can't. Mate, this team has been run by absolute wasters. And this is a terrible decision. This is a terrible decision. Okay, fine. If these guys end up doing well, I will come here and say, hey, my bad. But I can tell you right now, this season is done. This season has gone to waste. We are not winning anything. We are not getting into the top 3. This is going to be a very, very difficult season. This is going to be more or less the same season as last season. The only difference will be the fact that we won't win a trophy this season. Smash a like, get your thoughts down in the comment section. I am out.